Hey everybody, and welcome back to the HobbyNut 007 channel. 5 days since I've sat here at the workbench. It has been crazy around here. Over this past weekend, we had a decent amount of rain, and on top of that we had some decent wind, and got a couple of trees down here at our house and then our other property as well. So Hobby Dude has been busy this week. The last couple of days have been pretty good, so between chainsaw and cording some wood up, I've been busy, and I'm not finished by any means. So I'm just now, started raining again today, so I'm just now sitting out on the workbench tonight, and I wanted to finally take a look at my Model Cars magazine, which I'm sure most of you have already gotten yours and seen them too. I just want to make a mention on that. I want to give a shop card shout out and a shout out for a show that Amanda and I are leaving for Friday morning, and hopefully I'll get to see some of you guys there. So let's get into it. First up, shop card shout out, our buddy Vinny over at Gemini Scale Model Builds. If it flies, floats, rolls, I'll build it, which is cool. Vinny does about everything. You see the Black Hawk there, piece of artillery, figures, Camaro. It's kind of hard to see this one, but Vinny served on the USS Saratoga, and this carrier, as well as its support ships or the battle group, he has replicated all of those, researched them out, and has the full battle group there. So cool stuff. And you know, guys, a lot of the stuff that I've learned about shadowing, weathering, even wood grain, I've learned from military modelers. And a lot of wealth to be shared among any scale modeler. And check this out on the back, this fire station. He replicated it in 1/160th scale. Is that not cool? So, Vinny, thank you, buddy. Appreciate you very much for what you do to the community. Guys, show him some love. Head over there, give him a sub, and check out the stuff there. Great information, great information. Next up, Model Cars Magazine, issue 223. If you want to go do a page-by-page through this, if you haven't gotten yours yet, first of all, head over to Tim at Throttle Power's channel. Check it out. He does a page by page, covers everything. Great info. This issue covers the Acme Southern Nationals in Atlanta this past October, the MCA show or contest, and then the Hawaii NNL, and I think all of us should just meet there for that one next year. I'm game, so let's just plan on it. Mark your calendar. Wouldn't that be fun? And guys, if you're not subscribed, this is great information. The latest stuff too. If you're not subscribed to it or don't have a local hobby shop, head over to www.modelcarsmag.com and you can subscribe. Save you a little bit off of the counter price too. And I want to share something with you real quick. Like I said, if you want to do a page by page, head over to Throttle Power and check out Tim's page by page. But there's a lot of advertisements for new stuff, whether it's tools, 3D prints, just resin, you name it. Then you've got a lot of the ads for like Model Roundup. A lot of these companies have been around a long time. Slicks Decals, if you want up-to-date and the best quality in drag racing decals and contingency decals and just unique markings, Slicks is a great place. You'll find all kinds of stuff. Every now and then I run across a vendor that I've never even heard of. So great stuff. At Atlantis Models, there's one of their ads. Scale Finishes, great stuff. But there's just all kinds of stuff through here. And it really, if you're a model car guy, great mag. And the MDA show this weekend, as I said, Amanda and I are heading up Friday. And this is in Roanoke, Virginia, this Saturday, March the 9th. And it is a model car contest, show, and swap meet. And in addition to this, you have a real car show. I'm sure they'll do it like they did last year. The model car show was, and the vendors are down kind of on the lower level, and then there's 2 other levels that have the real cars in them. And you talk about some beautiful cars and some great inspiration. You can get it all right here, not just in model cars, but all of them. Again, this year the theme is the cars of Carroll Shelby. Anything that Shelby. So I look forward to seeing some of these creations. I didn't do one this year, not a theme, and I'm usually pretty big on trying to do themes. I just got too many going on right now. And this again is at the Berglund Center in Roanoke, Virginia. And on back here, and by the way, you can go to this website, mdamodelcar.com, and you can print you off a copy of this, or you can take a look at the rules and all of your contest categories. All of this is on that page, mdamodelcar.com. And also, while you're there, if you're planning on going, save yourself some time of filling out paperwork when you get there. You can go ahead and print off from this website. You can print off your registration form. As you see here, I've got mine already done. I've got to add one more model down here that I'm going to be taking. But I've already got 5 on there, and I'm going to take one more. And then you print off, and these are double. You just cut it in half there. And of the entry forms. And I've already gotten several of these filled out too. Of the cars I'm taking, and some of them I hadn't got to yet. But you can get all this stuff done in advance, and you don't have to worry about any of it. When you get there, sitting down, filling all the stuff out, don't worry about it. You can already have that done in advance. Save you all kinds of time. Dennis and the guys, Rocky, all those guys, they put on a great show. And like I said, there's great inspiration with a real car show, as well as just an awesome, well put together show that these guys do. Last year there was a couple of great food trucks on site. Good stuff. Matthew Inman and I were up there last year together, and I know he's going to be vending this year. In fact, he's taking a few things up for me that I'll be picking up from him while we're there. And I'm hoping I get to see some of you guys while we're there. If you're going to be there, put it in the comments. Again, your contest categories and rules, all that stuff's on the website, mdamodelcar.com. Sound like a used car salesman now, guys. I keep repeating myself. Sorry. Guys, I think that's it. Head over to HobbyNut Models. Check out Mark's inventory if you need any MCW paint, tools. And by the way, I just got an email on him with some fresh inventory, automotive too. And but while you're over there, look at the military stuff. There's some great new stuff out there on that too. So be sure to check out that. Also, hit the Teespring store, or the Spring store as they call it now. I hadn't looked at that in a while. I need to head over and see what's on there. But I know a month or so ago when I checked, there was a good many sales on there too. So if you need a coffee mug, your coffee's going to taste better in a HobbyDo 007 mug. You know it is. A tumbler, a t-shirt. Hey, yard work weather's coming up. So in fact, I was wearing one while I was chainsawing out the last couple of days. So head over and check it out. Guys, I appreciate you. God bless. We love you. We'll see you in the next video, and hopefully we'll see you in Roanoke. Later, guys.